Hi guys, in this video we discuss about LCM of two numbers. See, I think you learned this concept when you are in fifth standard. Some numbers may be learned in fourth standard, but people don't know. Some people don't know how to implement this logic in programming. Let us implement this LCM of two numbers program. See, first of all, I'm taking two numbers, two and three. Just I'm taking small two numbers so that you can understand the logic. What is this LCM? LCM is six, right? How I am taking it is LCM is 6. You do please understand once? Yes. Just if 6 here, here now I'm taking the logic. Please listen carefully. 6. If the 6 is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is LCM. I think you understand logic. Let us execute this code first. Okay. Now I'm taking A equals to int of input. That of first number. B equals to int of input. Into the second line. Next. Now I'm implementing the logical. See for how will range of 1 to 6, right? Up to 6 means say I have discussed the range function in previous videos. Let's go through it and putting cards for in range of see I'm checking till the multiplication. Just see A star B plus 1. Next I'm giving the condition now. If I modulus A equal 0, 0, it should give me by both right and I'm using and operator I modulus E equal to 0, print I'm using the string here, LCM of LCM of A and B. Okay, let us say A and B is high. I think the correct code. Let us execute this code. Please understand the concept, not the logic. Understand the concept of logic, not don't by heart. So enter the first number is my number is 2, next is 3, let us say 2 and 3 is 6. Just go for it. Once again, we'll use some other different numbers so that you can understand easily. 5, 6. What is the LCM? I think it is 30, right? See 30. Let us use some other numbers like 11 and 7. In 11 and 7, 6 and 7. This code works perfectly. Okay. So like this video, please subscribe and please share to your friends. See, next how many lines of code? 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines of code. I said you right. So just 5 lines of code if you understand the logic. If you don't understand the logic, it will be more lengthy. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.